Today we're checking back in with Shiba Inu's SHIB Coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see SHIB go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the SHIB chart, guys. If you're looking to buy SHIB or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And unfortunately, we didn't have the nice little bounce that I thought we would. It does look like that it tried to occur, as you can see on the 13th after we posted the video. It spiked up and we saw another little bit of a spike on the 14th, but we decided to consolidate downwards by the looks of things. And this is really being driven by the overall market. Things aren't, I suppose, pumping at the moment, nor are they really dropping. It's more of a consolidation period for us at this point in time. The crucial thing here is that we maintain this upwards trend at the moment, and the bottom of that upwards trend is sitting at about 2237. Our current value is 2438. So we really want to make sure that we do see this trend maintain its place here, so that we can continue our upwards momentum and a bit of recovery. And the beautiful thing is we've been consolidating for an extended period now, so when things do start to really take off, it's looking like SHIB will certainly take off with it as well. From a pattern perspective, are we seeing anything? Well, you could potentially suggest we have seen a little bit of a flag pattern occur, potentially something to this sort of respect. Here we go, chucking in a few lines there, and then chucking in another line at the base or the bottom of it. Right, I'd suggest maybe about, there, that'll sort of do. That could be a bit of a sharp flag pattern we are seeing at this point in time. It is moving down towards, of course, our main area of support, that upwards trending line. So we could certainly expect to see maybe a breakout of that occur at this point in time. But one thing I'd like to point out is we are stuck right now between our 20 and 50 day moving averages, which is meaning we are bouncing between the two of them. So one of them is going to have to break. And you can see ever since this started occurring, volume has been low because people are waiting to see which direction is it going to break in. At this point in time, it's looking like we're testing that 50 day moving average mark. So I'm expecting to see that this is probably going to be the critical point within the next few 24 hours or 48 hours. Given the fact that we are, trending downwards from this line and of course over here as well, and it's getting tight. It's going to have to either break upwards or downwards very, very soon. But the volume's really going to dictate what way we break out or break down. So let's have a look at the RSI. That should help us work it out. Actually, it doesn't. We're smack bang in the middle. 46.49 we're currently sitting at. So realistically, that's not helping us with anything. We could sharply move upwards, or we could also sharply move downwards as well. So just keep that one in mind. MACD, maybe this will give us a bit of insight as well. Now the MACD is showing a red period at the moment, and it's actually quite shallow. And that's what I was getting at when I was saying there's not much volume going on. It's very shallow, the price movement. So whilst yes, we did, cross back above over the 12-day EMA, above the 26-day EMA, it's crossed back downwards once again, but things are relatively shallow. At this point in time, given the fact that it doesn't look like we've peaked yet, I'd be expecting that we break below the 50-day moving average, likely test our upwards trending line over here, before then breaking out in an upwards direction, much like that. This seems to be, based on what we're seeing at the moment, the most likely case scenario. As a result, the price target for us is a bounce, and I'm hoping the lowest we see is probably that 2248 point. We may drop below it briefly, but ideally we're going to bounce off that or break out of this channel prior and start then moving up towards our key point of resistance at 2968. That wraps up our Shiba Inu SHIB Coin analysis for today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video as well, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.